In previous video, we built our first AI application. We wrote only a few lines of Java code. Our application successfully communicated with OpenAI. Now, let me ask you one question. Suppose two developers write exactly the same Java code. They use the same Spring Boot project, the same chat client AI model. Will they always get the same answer? The answer is no. Why? Because AI doesn't just depend on your Java code, it also depends on the prompt. Today, we will learn prompt engineering. This is one of the most valuable skills in AI development today. In many real world AI applications, improving the prompt has a bigger impact than changing the Java code. Let's first understand what a prompt really is. Many beginners think a prompt is simply a question. For example, explain Java. That is a prompt. But prompts can contain much more than just a question. A prompt can include instructions, rules, examples, formatting requirements, context, tone, constraints. Think of a prompt as giving instructions to a very intelligent assistant. The clearer your instructions are, the better the results will be. This is where prompt engineering begins. Look at the first prompt. Explain Java. Can the AI answer it? Yes. But what kind of explanation should it give? Should it give for beginners? For experienced developers? In one sentence or in 10 pages? It doesn't know. Now, look at the second prompt. We have specified the audience, language, length, and asked for example. Now the AI has much clearer instructions. The more specific you are while asking a question, the better the response is likely to be. This is one of the biggest mindset changes for software developers. In traditional programming, different code produces different output. In AI applications, the same code can produce very different results because the prompt changes. Imagine these two prompts: write a leave application, or write a professional leave application to a manager requesting 2 days off because of illness. The Java code is identical, only the prompt changes, yet the quality of the output is completely different. In previous video, we spent a lot of time understanding this line of code. Today we are focusing on one specific part: user prompt. Notice that the Java code never changes. The only thing that changes is the value stored in the prompt variable. For example, explain Spring Boot, or explain Spring Boot to a 10-year-old using a pizza shop example in less than 150 words. Both prompts are passed to the same method. The Java code is exactly the same, but the AI's behavior changes because the instructions are different. That's why prompt engineering is such a powerful skill. Most high quality prompts contain five building blocks. First, the role. Tell the AI who it should act as. For example, you are a senior Java architect. Second, the task. What exactly should it do? Third, the context. What background information does it need? Fourth, constraints. Should the answer be under 100 words? Should it avoid technical jargon? Should it include code? Finally, the output format. Do you want a paragraph, a table, bullet points, or JSON? By including these five elements, you make your prompts much more precise and predictable. Thank you for watching.